Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we are going to be learning how to fix your game requires system restart to play Valorant. So yeah, let's say as you can see I'm having this option to play my game, but here sometime appears an option to your system requires a restart to play Valorant. So that is particular sometime happening because of the Riot client issue. So if you head over to your search bar, and there you simply search for apps and simply head over to that. Just wait for a couple of seconds. So let me search apps in here again. So you can see simply head over to your settings and apps, and here if you head over to installed apps and search for just wait, and Vanguard, you can see we have Riot Vanguard in here. So sometime it just corrupts or get uninstalled. So you can see if you uninstall it, you'll get the option to update it, and then it will be saying that Riot, your game needs a restart to be played. So sometime it happens, you simply need to fix it using you can restart it, and you can simply update it and restart it, and your game will be working perfectly fine. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, and see you around the next video.